what is cool is the EU. Like, can they stop posting these massive W's so we don't have to talk about them every single week?
We got to put a really squared off chin on the EU logo.
The European Parliament has near unanimously approved a final draft of regulatory rules which require transparent, fair parts pricing, access to essential spare parts, and require repair services to be available even after the end of warranties, and ban software blocks that are intended to hamper repair, aka parts pairing. 590 votes were in favor, with 15 paid off by big tech, and another 15 that were too chicken shit to show up. Wow!
So sick.
That is incredible. Like, this stuff is not justifiable. Right? Like, Apple, by all means, serialize your displays or whatever. That's fine, so that you can track your parts out there in the wild. You know, put little, like Apple, this is kind of cool. Apple has like little micro engravings on some of their stuff so that they can track which supplier it came from and all that kind of cool stuff. By all means, do that stuff.
Sure.
But when I take my iPhone screen and I put it in an iPhone, it needs to just work. No, there shouldn't be a special process to pair it. That is absolutely ridiculous. And now, finally, a governing body agrees. In December, the EU Parliament will negotiate the rules with the European Council, which is composed of the heads of state of EU countries. If both bodies pass the legislation, it will become law. That process will take at least a year. Finally.
So cool.
Finally.
So cool.
It's happening. EU with the W.
I would have never guessed this would have been like the thing that would have solved a lot of these problems.
No, me neither. I didn't see this.
Even when the EU was being formed, no inkling in my mind.
Yeah, I don't get it.